Sir, after the gun-related incident in the Senate, and then there's the walkout of the minority bloc and the alleged another Senate coup, as the President and former member of the upper chamber, how concerning is this, sir?
Very. I watched with horror that this is the Senate, that the Senate has become this. I look at my other fellow senators. Madalas kaming nagtitinginan ni E.S. Ralph kasi ganito ba tayo? Ganyan ba tayo nung senador tayo? Meron ba tayong ganyan na ginagawa? Hindi tayo ganyan. Paano nangyari? Yung Senado hindi na kagaya nung panahon natin. Dahil nagpe-personalan na eh. Naging personal, ang babaw na ng usapan. Dahil ang kwento ko nga, yun na, kwento na, meron mga senador na pagka meron kami pinag-uusapan na sa trabaho, hindi kami nag-agree talaga. At saka tatayo, mag-interpolate, at saka yung interpolation talagang mabigat, at saka well-studied and no-holds-barred interpolation. Pero after pag-upo namin, magkakape naman kami, kakain kami ng kasabay. Hindi personal. It's about work. It's not about personalities. Yan na, nagbago eh. Tapos, napating pa tayo sa putukan. Tapos, fake pala yung putukan.